What Spirit is doing when he's still on the floor?
He keeps on clicking right now.
Wow! O, sige na. You can start the 3D. Let's see. Are you ready, children?
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Go!
The earth goes round the sun. The earth goes round the sun. The earth goes round the sun. And third is 1 year old. Wow, Mami, ano na po yung ginagawa ni 30 nung 1 year old?
1 year old. He keeps on smiling at mommy and daddy.
My favorite food na po siya.
Ready? 30? You're at the globe, 30. At the globe. You hold it. I 30. I'm gonna take that away first. No.
You look at me.